Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. I got bros on a nana, twisting dope, lean, and a Fanta. Good morning, pandas. Welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks for joining, everybody. You guys know what day it is today? Do you guys have any idea what day is today? That's right. Whiskey Wednesday. Get to 200 likes. We'll drink some whiskey on stream. Not only are we drinking whiskey, we're going to trade whiskey. It's a real whiskey today. We got Jerome Powell speaking at 9:30. Weird time. Weird time, man. I don't even know what he's saying. I don't know what platform he's speaking on. I have no idea what's going to happen. I don't know what is he just going to talk about his, I don't know, hunting hobbies? I have no idea. Am I muted? No way, I'm not muted. I shouldn't be muted. Good morning, pandas. Good morning. He was gonna say he's gonna talk about tacos. Which are the best? Carne asada, chicken, al pastor. Which one? Pandas, make sure you guys scalp that like button. Good morning, guys. Day trading. Good morning, Sonic. Good morning, SW Blaze. Good morning. Make sure you drop a GM in the chat as well. Thomas Masters, good morning. GC Burke, good morning from Texas. Drop a location if you're comfortable. Hugh, Whiskey Wednesday. That's right. Mike Thompson, good morning. David, good morning. Hump Day and Boozy Panda Day. Mark Aguiles, Topless Thursday. Okay, sure. Topless Pandas. GC Burke, welcome. Charles Wilson, sounds like relaxation. Welcome, guys. Hugh, good morning, everybody. Facundo, Exponential Trader. Welcome, guys. John, come on from Texas. Should we take shots every time Jerome Powell mentions the word inflation or I don't know. What word? What's the hot word? What's the hot topic word? Masla, good morning. Or good afternoon from London. Welcome. We got people from all over the world. That's the best. I've yet to go to London, Britain, Europe. Really, just haven't really explored much of Europe. Spent a lot of vacation time in the Asias and a lot of domestic in the States. Welcome, guys. Hugh says, I went to Miami Beach once. I was surprised to see people there topless. The guys or the girls? Good morning, guys. Good morning. Make sure you scalp that like button. We got Whiskey Wednesday today. We got Jerome Powell speaking. And pandas, check out the balance right now. We're up 3,642. At 3,750, we're halfway there, pandas. We're halfway there to the withdrawal on the 300K account. Halfway. Can you believe it that we're in this place? We're halfway there. Welcome to my channel. I'm Baba Money, and you are currently watching the most profitable trader on YouTube, Verified. NASCAR racing in downtown Chicago this weekend. What could go wrong? Nothing. Just everything can go right. Good morning, pandas. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Make sure you guys scalp that like button, pandas. We got a whiskey challenge today. We have a like challenge. We need to get 200 likes today, or else I explode. Explode into happiness. Looks like a trading range. Market's about to open 8 minutes. I'm sitting my pause here. We have Jerome Powell speaking right at 9:30, and I have no idea what he's going to talk about. Maybe he's going to talk about lifting. I don't know. I don't know how you find this information. Where is Jerome Powell speaking? I'm just typing Jerome Powell speech. Gives a speech in Europe today. Watch for talk on inflation. He's talking in Europe. No wonder it's at 9:30. Hey, what time is that over there? It's in the afternoon, according to our good friend Masla. Masla, what time is it? Jerome Powell is speaking in your hometown. So it's not your typical like FOMC. He's probably gonna reiterate a lot of things that he's already talked about. But who knows? Maybe some things will leak, like we will raise rates next rate hike. If he says that, then watch this market just crumble. We look at the daily chart. Whoa, okay. I mean, we're still in an uptrend, and just look at where the daily chart bounced off of. You know what line this is? This line is the 20 EMA, the magical 20 EMA that apparently some people believe does not affect the market at all. I just don't know if you need any more evidence there. Again, evidence here, closing one time beneath it, but not ever closing beneath it again. It's just, tell me, it's just irrefutable that the 20 EMA is being used by institutions. It's just irrefutable to me at this point. Bounce off perfectly, strong bull bar. If you guys remember yesterday, I was thinking we're probably gonna be always in long on the 5-minute chart. Let me go over some of my off-stream trades before the market opens, since we're in trading range. 2000 tick chart. I'll go ahead. You guys know on stream I made a whopping negative $50, and because the market wasn't doing anything, but the moment the stream ended, it's like the market was waiting for the stream to end, and we got some good movement. And I was able to come in with a double position, scalp 4 points, or swing 4 points here with 2 contracts, and made a nice, I don't know, $200-300 here. Went long here on this trap, scalped out 2 points. Went long here, decided to skunk it because it took too long for my trade to finish. Ended up being a nice second entry long here. Could have taken the second entry long. But was waiting for Big Mama. Big Mama triggers, get 2.5 points on my main scalp, and then 5 points on my runner. But you think this is a really good trade, but if you think about it, really, if I held my runner, right, I never get stopped out, right? The pullback doesn't come back to my original entry. If I had held my runner, just imagine, I would have been able to capture probably most of this. Maybe I would have got out here with 2 bear bars underneath the 20 MA, and maybe, I just don't know. But at this point, when I look at this, man, I just didn't think the runner will go this far. But hey, Big Mama, it's the gift that keeps on giving. Even gives you these big runner gifts here. So you could have got 20 plus points if you had kept that runner, but unfortunately my paws or bamboo paws they're too weak. Went long here. At this point I'm just looking at the 5-minute chart. I almost don't even look at the 2000 tick at this point, because oftentimes in strong bull moves like this, you just don't see second entries. So I switched to the 5-minute, and I was just always in long. I literally just bought at the close of this bar, and I just scalped out here, and I bought the close of this bar, and then I just kind of got scared, and I just came up break even. So Those were my trades yesterday. I was up, I think, $1,000 yesterday. As you can see with my rhythmic, right? If you compare yesterday's rhythmic to today's rhythmic on the top left of the screen, you can see that I'm up around $1,000. Probably a little bit more than that. We're getting a lower high here, but I have no idea because this looks like a trading range. This may come back into this trading range. So I'm going to sit on my pause here. Not sure what's going to happen. We could have a downtrend day all day today. For all I know. I don't know. Who also says it's 225. All right, so he's speaking at 2:30 in Europe. Appreciate that. So, pandas. Why do I say I'm the most profitable trader on YouTube? Verified. You always have to say verified. Because I go over all my trades. I never take off my trade markers. I stream 24/7, passing a 300K account right before your eyes. I keep the rhythmic capture on the top left of the screen. I have a pre-market show going over all my accounts and all my account balances. There's nothing more I can do to be more verified than I am. It's just absolutely crazy how the lengths I go to. So this is why you always gotta say verified, because there are traders out there who are claiming to make tens of thousands of dollars, but they're sus. They're sus. They're not verified. I'm not gonna say they're sus. They're just not verified. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Speedy Boy, good morning. Hansman, good morning. Welcome, welcome. Wayne Bignell, good morning. Letitia, welcome. L. Jackson, good morning. Steven Weiner, good morning. Laufi Kada, good morning. Erp Media, good morning. Turtle Toes, welcome, welcome. Today is Whiskey Wednesday, so make sure you guys scalp that like button. Let's get to 200 likes. Pandas, we gotta break out of this, out of the shadow band. We gotta just burst through it. We gotta do it by playing with the algorithm. I mean, I have fine-tuned this stream for the algo. My title is literally live futures trading, and you know, things like Whiskey Wednesday helps out the algo, helps out this channel. Yeah, we're 1/5 of the way there. 1/5 of the way there, is that right? Market's about to open, and Jerome Powell is speaking. Possible Big Mama today. Yes, yes, yes. Every day is always a possibility for Big Mama. Market just opened, Panis. And Jerome Powell is apparently speaking. Let's see, is there any other news today? I don't think so. Let me check. Just Jerome Powell speaking. He's speaking in Europe, so tomorrow is kind of the day where I feel like it might have... Oh, see, this is why Jerome Powell speaking at 2:30 a.m. I'm just like, what? I thought that was a mistake. It says on Forex Factory that Jerome Powell speaking tomorrow at 2:30 a.m. I just like, who was up at the time? Why is he speaking at 2:30? And it's because he's obviously traveling. He's not here. He might be in Asia at that point. I think Asia is around probably 2:30 p.m. at that time. But then I think the big news for us would be final GDP 8:30 a.m. tomorrow. And if that one is not big, then maybe the core PC might be big on Friday, 8:30 a.m. So you got two chances for make or break your accounts. Let's see what happens, Pandas. Let's see what happens. Okay, market's open. We're still going sideways. I mean, we're in a trading range still. Like we're still in the gravitational pull of this trading range. And also notice on the 5-minute chart, we got a big gap here. So we may try to fill it before doing anything big, before making a major move. 10,000 tick chart, complete trading range over an entire night session, but we're underneath the 20 MA the entire time. Continue to push down here. Pandas, what's going on? I mean, I can't take this short. It's hard because you're thinking maybe trading range here. You know, the trading range people are probably waiting for a good signal bar. They probably went long here, and then they might be scaling in, but that's why trading ranges are difficult. That's why you gotta wait for like higher lows. Higher lows, a little more evidence that you're reversing here back into the trading range. Apex Trader on it. I believe I do have Apex Trader on it. Yeah, I literally have Apex Trader funding. I have live futures trading stream, and literally it's the same thing in the description. It just cannot be any more optimized. I'm trying my best to break out of this shadow band. I got shine into the light. No setups for me. Pushing down now. You're thinking downturn at this point, no longer trading range. 5-minute chart. It's a huge gap here from the market close to the open. 10,000 tick chart. We're clearly underneath the 20 MA. We're pushing down here now. So let's see what happens. Mo7 says, it always pains me seeing it go without me. I know, FOMO. FOMO is probably one of the biggest pains you can feel in trading. FOMO is basically fear of missing out, and it's kind of interesting because I think it's a greed aspect of you. The fear aspect is not coming in, right? Like you're not trading, but FOMO is like a reason to trade. So even though it's called fear of missing out, it's actually touching upon the greed aspect of trading. Whereas fear is, you know, that's when you don't want to trade, overextended, and you don't want, you know. All right, pandas, what's going on here? What's going on here? I got no setups here, just watching, just watching. Possibly second inch short here. It's a little wacky, super choppy, but it is forming a second entry short, and it's a downtrend. It is ugly looking second entry short. What can I say? It's a lot of overlapping bars. But if you feel strongly about this downtrend, this could be a place where you can go short. The signal bar is okay. I really don't like this gap on the 5-minute chart. We're balancing out the 20 MA here. If we're in a strong downtrend, then inside bar. This is really choppy here. It's so choppy. It's barely enough room to bomb chop, but we're clearly underneath the 20 MA. We're pushing down here. I hate my first trade to be a loss, and I feel sus about this. It is definitely choppy in my opinion. This is not looking pretty. Okay, now we got bull bar. We broke the inside bar to the top side. It's an ugly signal bar. Now this is your signal bar. It looks ugly. Goodness gracious. What's going on here? I don't like that. We're closing underneath the 20 MA though. Jeez. Tricky. I don't know. I'm just sitting on my pause. Sitting on my pause here is a little too tricky for me. It's just too grindy going up to the 20 May. I wish it was cleaner move. Right? I wish we had more cleaner like movement, as in it's not so overlapping. You may get trapped here. I don't know, pandas. Thoughts and prayers to those who took this short. Hopefully it works out if you're short right now. Maybe if failed trap, I'll go short, but man, this is tricky. It seems 50-50 to me at this point. We're clearly underneath the 20 MA still, so that's good if you're short. It's not good because if you're short right now, you're probably negative right now in your trade. Okay. It is not good. That's not good if you're short. Man, this market's tricky. If that trap triggers. This market is tricky. Very tricky. Oof. Still underneath the 20 MA. Maybe micro triple top. Maybe micro triple top here. Almost like it with the micro triple top if it comes down here again. Breaking that inside bar. It breaks to the upside. Failed trap. It's just confusing, so choppy, really hard to tell anything that's happening. Most likely get stopped out if you went short here. You got stopped out. Thoughts and prayers to you. This is how terrible this price action is. I have nothing else to say other than it was very choppy coming up to 20 May. Otherwise, you're in a strong downtrend. Second entry short off the 20 May. You have everything going for you except that. It's very choppy. Very choppy. Coming up to 20 May. Like, you want cleaner lines. Like, even this, like, just cleaner lines between the bars. You want some space between each swing. But here, like, between each leg, I mean. And between the legs here, there's almost no space. Tough who just took that short. Sorry. Goodness. I mean, this is still very choppy. I don't know what's going on. I'm just sitting on my pause. I don't see any good setups. I don't see good price action either to trade at least. Or who says Paul hasn't started speaking, so maybe that's been chopped. Maybe. Goodness gracious. The 5-minute chart. Creating this outside inside bar. You could take a trade based off this breakout mode. More likely to work out if you go to the bottom side of it because you're continuing this move down. But it's breakout mode, so if you break to the top, you know, people have their long orders here when they break. Okay, so people are long right now. The chance is higher for it to be successful on the OI pattern when you break to the side that continues to move. So that's a less likely chance to work. Better chance here. But it looks like it might work here. I don't know. We do have a big gap to fill on the 5-minute chart. Just sitting on my pause. Literally nothing to do. So pandas, let's just relax. Enjoy watching this paint dry. And make sure you scalp that like button because we got a whiskey challenge. 200 likes, pandas. Let's get it. Maybe something like this. Wow, I mean, this is going up now. It looks nasty. It's not something I enjoy. I don't like this price action, but it is going up. Just watching, nothing happening whatsoever in the market right now. I mean, look at this price action, untradeable. Just watching. And you know what we can do while we watch this market do absolutely nothing? Scalp that like button. Don't forget. Let's get to 200 likes. Might as well. Might as well.
Five-minute trap.
Trap possibly on the 5-minute chart. Decent push down here. Underneath the 20 EMA now. What to do here? What is the plan, pandas? What is the plan?
5-minute trap.
Trap triggers 5-minute chart. What is the plan? I have no idea. I have no setups. It looks bearish. Looks very bearish. Pushing strong now. Okay. Trading range. What a surprise. Choppiness. Still going down though. Okay. Very cool. Just goes up like this and goes straight down like a rock. Very fun. Very nice price action. Very tradable. What am I supposed to do, pandas? What am I supposed to do here? No entries for me. Other than the L4 setup, nothing else really to really consider that as a trade. Like I mentioned in the 5-minute chart, the chance is higher if it breaks to the downside of this OI pattern. The OI pattern breaks to the upside, that fails, and now it's reversing. It's even a stronger move. If this channel is accurate, which we have a couple hits off of it already, we got hit here, hit here, hit here. On the bottom side, hit here, hit here. And now we're at the bottom side again. If it's accurate, it may bounce up here. I don't know. Turtle says the FOMO kicks in when there's no setup. Yeah, that's the thing. It's like you can call it, but if you don't have a setup, then you just kind of watch it go without you.
tick
And then you're
trap.
like, I knew that was gonna happen. But then, how many times there's something about the human brain. It's very, very fascinating that we're very biased on the things that work when we call it, but we never really acknowledge all the times we call something and wrong, you know, and you're wrong. It's just very, you know, it's just fascinating, just how human brains are. I think that's with everybody. Because you can be like, man, I called it, I knew it, but how many times have you called it and you're wrong? So it's just like, it's not reliable. That's not reliable, being like, oh, I just knew it was going to do that. I don't think it is, at least. It's from my experience. Pushing back up trading range, looks like. If anything, this could be a good place to short it. Absolutely nothing is happening. This is crazy. I mean, strong downtrend day today, maybe? I don't know. I just don't know. I mean, I'm looking at the 2K chart right now. I don't have a setup here. Just watching this. Turtles asks what time's Jerome. He should be speaking now. Unsure though.
Tick trap.
Sorry, Pans, I'm on mute. I'm eating yogurt. And yogurt, if you guys don't know, I have misophonia? What's it called? I don't know. I think it's called misophonia. That's how you pronounce it. It's when you hate a certain sound. I hate the sound of like people chewing, slobbering, and that saliva noise. Like if you're just like in a quiet room with someone and they're just eating like bread and they're just making this like that that noise. Me just making that noise, imitating it, actually grinds my gears. So I'm sparing you guys from hearing me just eating yogurt, which is very, very I don't know. It induces that sound a lot. Yeah, like mukbangs when they have sometimes it's too much. Some people are good at it. Sometimes it actually sounds okay, but most of the time it's Just thinking about the sound makes me just want to like body slam someone. Oh gosh. Hugh asked, "What's my favorite yogurt?" Oikos is good, yeah, for sure. Most of the, I think I get this thing called Faye. I think that's how you pronounce it, Faye. That's, you know, kind of like a Greek yogurt. Right now, peaches are kind of in season, and so they are magnificent. They're great. They're delicious. Calubers up 1,100 on a day, 3,800 on the week. What? Good luck, everyone. Wait for your setup and don't be scared. Let's go, baby. Hey, congratulations, Calubers.
5-minute trap.
Chin did that in his beginning videos, just like eat stuff. Skyer is the best. If you know, you know. I think I've had Skyer. It's expensive. It's expensive. Just sitting on our paws. Nothing much to do here other than watch just do nothing. That is a second entry short, actually. But the signal bar triggers above the 20 MA. It is almost enough for a scalp. I don't know. I'm just sitting on my paws. I don't have much to do here. I do think it might keep going down, but what do I know? I'm a panda. Just watching this. If anything, if this is a trading range, this is where you go long with limit orders. I don't know. Do you guys have anything like that? Any like pet peeves? I think that's probably the worst one I have. Even when Mrs. Panda chews and I can hear it, sometimes I just stare at her until she notices. Okay, we're pushing back up. Trading range price action, classic, just very confusing. Got a lower high second entry short here, but I cannot take it because of the trading range price action we have right now. Turtles ever eaten baklava? I have. Baklava's good. It's very sweet, and I think it really depends on how the, you know, not all baklava is created equal, but I haven't had a baklava that like blew me away. I just think in general, on average, baklava is pretty good. Hugh says, hearing my kids talk in a whiny manner is my pet peeve. Makes me want to slap somebody. Not my kids. Just to make sure. Okay, you got a second entry short here, low or high. I just feel like the price action now is still trading range. I don't know if I want to take any directional trade. Like, I don't want to take a short here. I don't. I'm sorry. Facunda says, I don't like feet. If you want to call it a pet peeve. Pet peeve. I just, oh my, can't read. Pet peeve.
$10,000 tick trap.
All right, that's why I didn't want to take that short, pandas. Because guess what? You just lost that trade. You just got stopped out if you took that short. Because of the trading range. Again, if anything, you go short here at the top of this trading range. Should I do it for the content? Should I do it for the content, pandas? Go short. Limit order short here. Oh, boy. Oh, man. Go short right there. Should I? Trading range, price action? Just go short somewhere? Limit order? A 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio? Shall I? For the content? It's too strong. These bars are too strong. I can't. All right. I didn't want to sneak up on me and just. That has happened to me. I have sometimes thought my order was far away enough, and sometimes the market just bursts right into it and like actually triggers it. Sometimes I actually win like that, but it's scary. Kyle Lubers, he is not a paid actor. He is not a paid actor. He says, Bye Money has been really helpful in the pre-market show. Going through his trades and why he does what he does was instrumental in how I turned it around. Welcome to my channel, the most profitable trader on YouTube verified. Thanks for joining. And that could be yours for only $4.99 a month. I think a lot of people like the pre-market show, not because of necessarily. I think the most valuable thing of the pre-market show is, I would say, I thought it would have been because people are just so curious of how much money I make. But really, what's the most valuable thing from it is people, I guess, seeing that if a panda can do it, then so can they. It's more like motivation than anything. It's more like, man, here's like a testimony of someone able to do it, and he is sharing everything with us, and it makes me feel like I can do it too. And especially when this panda talks about, it's taking him 2-3 years to get to this point. And I just started my journey. I'm struggling. It's kind of like, whoa, people who are like this kind of say like, maybe it is possible. It is possible. If a panda can do it, I can do it. See, Wayner, set up a Zoom trading session. Nah, Zoom, I hate Zoom. I'd rather do Discord. I hate Zoom. Marty Jean says, Panda, man, is my brother. I love you, Panda. Let's get some more, man. Let's go, baby. Aren't you the one who stole Big Mama from me? Caliber says, the reviews of entries was a thing missing from my strategy. Okay, nice to know. Aaron says, I want to believe. Matthew Dawes says, what do you think of 1-point scalps? I used to do them a lot. But I think the bars are too large for 1-point scalps, because if you lose one, and especially if you use price action stop loss, which is using like the previous signal bar as your stop loss, the previous bar is extreme, or the signal bar is extreme, the 1-point scalp is very hard to do a comeback. If you lose one trade, typically you have to make up 4 winners just to make it up. And to me, it just drove me. It didn't fit my personality. It just didn't fit my personality. It drove me to tilt more often, because I would be so aggressive to make that money back, because I knew how far behind I would be every time I lose. So I'm deciding, because the bars are too large, I think 2 points is a little bit better. It's about a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio, or sorry, 2-to-1 risk reward ratio, and so that's a little bit better. And sometimes you can make it up with a swing trade and with a runner. So yeah, we got second entry long here, pandas. Second entry long though, but here, why? It doesn't make sense. There's not enough room to this top of this channel here, and I feel like I think this channel is pretty accurate. I mean, we're getting hits here, and here, and here now. I think it's accurate. I'm not gonna fight that. I'll take the trap trade. I'll take a trap trade, sure. Fail second entry long, reversal. I'll take that. But honestly, you know, if you trade only big mamas, you guys would probably all be profitable. That's how easy trading could be so easy if you just traded big mamas and that's all you cared about. But we love to punish ourselves. We love to just grind and feel the pain, and you know, we want to be active. We want to do stuff.
10,000 tick trap.
So of course, even though we know there's like almost a guaranteed way to make money, we feel like, no, I gotta do more. I gotta do more.
5-minute trap.
Nick Altunor tape. I really love your channel. Thank you for sharing knowledge. I'm 16-year-old trader. And I'm doing the Apex eval right now. Goodness gracious. Hey, keep it up. Keep it up because keep it up because even though your friends are saying, "What are you doing, Nick?
Tick trap.
Why are you trading? You're 16 years old. That's boring. That's so boring." Just saying, like, I don't care. I don't care what you guys think. I'm determined. I'm gonna do this. In about 2-3 years from now, you're gonna be wondering, why weren't you doing what I'm doing? Matthew, 15. You guys are getting younger and younger. Any 12-year-olds? Any 10-year-olds? 5-year-olds? 5-year-old prodigy traders in here? 1-year-old? I started trading when I was 1 year old. Before I could even talk, I was pressing that buy button. We got a trap trade here, pandas. Potentially, maybe interested. Ugh. But we're in trading range, pandas. Outside bar reversal. I hate that. I absolutely hate that. I'm setting my pause here. We're bouncing on the top of the channel essentially here. That's what it seems like, and we're gonna just keep going down. But now we're back in this trading range, and we're at the bottom of the trading range. Goodness gracious. Outside bar reversal. Salvatore, I'm 9. All right. I'm 3 years old with 5 years of trading experience. When I was in my mother's womb, when I was negative 3 months old in my mother's womb, I took my first trade. And ever since then, I was hooked. I was already a millionaire by the time I was born. I don't know what I'm doing here, pandas. I shouldn't be shorting this. I shouldn't be in this market right now. It's too choppy, too confusing for the content. Well, anyway, pandas, I'm by money. Thanks for joining my channel. You are currently watching the most profitable trader on YouTube, verified. Why am I verified? I traded 24/7 stream, passing a 300K evaluation on Apex. Showing every single trade, showing my rhythmic. I never take my rhythmic off. I show every single trade marker. I'm trading a P account, and also right now, I go over all my trades. Pandas, we are in a trap trade here, coming off the 20 EMA. It's the only thing I could see at this point, but we are in a trading range. It's just a weird setup. It's taking any setups right now is just weird, because we're just choppy, going sideways. Pandas, let's see, we're bouncing off the top of this channel is why I'm wanting to go short here, thinking that we might come back to the bottom of this channel. So pandas, let's see if we can get some bamboo. Might turn to a second entry short here. It is not looking good, pandas. I mean, you got this signal bar, ugly looking. I mean, this is an inside bar. It's just not a good place to trade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 overlapping bars in a row. It's just, I mean, I'm not even surprised if I get stopped out here. I would not be surprised.
10,000 tick trap.
I shouldn't be trading. I shouldn't be in this right now. What am I doing right now, pandas? But we're just gonna hold on to it because we got diamond panda cojones. And that's why, pandas, you do not trade in chop. All right, I'm just trying to teach you guys a lesson. That's the only reason why I took that trade, not because I thought it was going to work, because I wanted to teach you guys, do not trade in chop. I wanted to teach you. I hope you guys learned your lesson. Now I don't have to teach you guys that again. You're welcome. You are welcome. Goodness gracious, this market. What is going on? Second entry short here. Might be a trap trade to the long side now. This trap fails. I still feel like we're in trading range, so I'm not going long here. I almost like this short, but we're above the 20 MA, which is weird. I'll take it. If I lose this, it is what it is. It's a small risk. I just feel like we're in a trading range. This will be at the top of the trading range. Two-point scalp would be here. Solid bear bar. I like that. Let's see if we make a new low here, perhaps. Again, like I didn't want to trade into this long here. I feel like if this is trading range, as you can see here, the double top here, then this would be a good place to go short. Okay. Looking for a new low if possible. I like a new low, if possible. I could just take my risk off here at this point because it made a 2-point scalp. All right. I could have got my 2-point scalp. Maybe being a little too greedy there. Maybe being a little too greedy there. I could have got my 2-point scalp. I could have. Maybe being a little too greedy there. It's choppy. It takes me out to the tick. Gives me tick shots me. You gotta love those tick shots. This is so choppy. I don't know. I'm trying to go short here again. It's a low or high. Tick shot. Man. I've been getting tick shot a lot. A lot on stream. It's a silly trade. Don't copy my trades, bandas. It's a choppy day. Perfect day to go on tilt. No longer interested in that. Hopefully it keeps going higher so I won't feel so bad that it tick shotted me. I coined that phrase yesterday because yesterday I got tick shotted. It took me up to the tick and it just reversed like crazy where I thought it was gonna go originally. Goodness gracious. Definitely in trading range. Hard to go short and find a direction here. I don't know. I'm a little FOMO'd out. I'm a little FOMO'd right now because I feel like I could have maybe held this, but probably couldn't have. I just don't want to miss the move that could have been in. I should have just came out with my scalp though. I could have got 2 points here. 1, 2. Enemy goes beyond my 2-point scalp. Got greedy. Got greedy. Alright, the lower high second to short does trigger here. Super choppy. That's the problem right now. This is so choppy. Really hard to tell what's going to happen here. It is underneath the 20 MA. It looks bearish right now. But it's so choppy. It's just, it's really 50-50 in my opinion at this point. Having a hard time getting above the 20 MA again. I feel like I want to take the short if we trigger this. Like I want to take this short here. You know what I mean? I want to take it if it breaks this low. Or 10,000 tick chart.
10,000 tick trap.
Okay, we're in this trade. It's more like the 5-minute chart. I want to take that short here. I feel like maybe after the break of that, it could be like a decent trade. All right, let's go, baby. Easy peasy, easy money. Calculated. Negative $25. Welcome to my channel. Negative $25. Imagine you can make negative $25 a day. If you have 4 Apex accounts, that means you can make negative $25,000 a year. Amazing. Oh my goodness. Did I just do that perfectly? Oh my god. Oh my god. Got that. Did my own tick shot.
10,000 tick trap.
It feels like I can keep going down though. I'm up to negative $25 today. Amazing. The most profitable trader on YouTube, verified for sure. I was gonna keep going down though. It would. It would. It would. It's a big trading range though, to be honest. I mean, the 5-minute chart, if you look at the trading range indicator on the 5-minute, it's just like perfectly compressed in this little range here. Goodness gracious. It's like a headshot. It's like, I kept saying I got sniped, and it's not a headshot, it's really a tick shot. Like it snipes me right at that tick. Right to the tick. Oh my, I basically tick shotted the market. That's what it gets for tick shotting me. Goodness gracious. Ooh. Trap trade. Should I take this trap trade? If I take this trap trade, I'll take the trap trade until I go in short and the bottom of a trading range. Pandas, Whiskey Wednesday. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Let's get to 200 likes today. The more likes I have, the more chance I have to be positive today. Lost one, skunked one, won one. I'm 1-1-1 right now. Negative $25. NJ says, shot right in the tick. Oh man. Don't shoot the person's tick. Anywhere but the tick. Never shoot the tick. That's pretty good. NJ, hey NJ, hey. That's pretty good. That's pretty funny. What can I say? That's funny. Don't shoot him in the tick. Don't shoot me in the tick, please. All right, trading range. Just continue this trading range. What can I say? I just shot the market right in the tick and got it perfectly. Perfect. Shot him in the tick. Oh, oh, I love this. I love this channel. I love this community.
10,000 tick
I
trap.
love it. I mean, great things happen here. Just great things are happening here. Facondo's entering absolute beast mode, tilt mode, because we're in an absolute nasty trading range, and there are no setups here. And so, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? We're gonna go on tilt. That's the only answer. I'm okay right now. I feel all right. I am. I understand we are just completely choppy, and I understand I shouldn't have taken that short. I shouldn't have taken. I just wanted to take some setup. Some setup. I just want to take something. Yeah, all right. Enough with the tick jokes. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Okay, this channel is starting to break. Okay, really pushing up. What's Jerome Powell saying? Don't send tick pics. Tick pics. Oh man. All right. Turtle says saw a panda twerking. That's our special mating dance. Turtles, I think I'm going to do the same. What's your PNL right now? I'm negative $12. And he's gonna go on tilt. Whoo, just take a deep breath. Facundo. Facundo no. Just take a deep breath. Relax. You got this. Don't go on tilt because you're negative $12. It's okay. I'm negative $25. So just understand. Sometimes when you get hit in the tick, it hurts. We're gonna try to fill that gap on the 5-minute chart, it looks like. We have a gap here that may try to fill. Super strong bull bar, right? It's a surprise bar. Follow through. Shake it off. Shake it off. You guys got this. Now we got some movement. Now I can say that we may not be in a trading range anymore. We may be in an uptrend. So I'm looking for a second entry long if possible. I don't know if the market will give it to me. But if it does, I definitely want to partake. Especially because we have a clear target above the 5-minute, filling that gap. We may hit Big Mama. Big Mama will save the day. If all things are going wrong, just always know Big Mama will save the day. You always have Big Mama. Matthew, gotta go. All right. Enjoy your summer break. 15 years old, man, that's awesome. I wish someone would have taught me how to trade at 15. And by like 21, I'll be like a master trader. You wouldn't have to work. You wouldn't have to work for anybody. Trap trade here, not interested. Too far away from 20 MA. Toronto says, but Apex definitely was. Yeah, that's true. A lot of money would have been spent. Yeah, people know about Apex, just how amazing it is. How it changed the game for trading. I wouldn't be surprised, seriously, if we're already in the next big thing. Like, people are saying that cryptocurrency, was the big thing. What's the next big thing? This is it, pandas. This is the opportunity of a lifetime right now. Basically, Apex is taking any prop firm really is taking advantage of the fact that most people fail when they trade. It's like if they were a casino, like their games are basically saying you only have 10% chance to win, and we get to keep the rest. Okay, trap trade does trigger here. I would like for the second entry long. This trap is a little too far away from 20 man. I would like if it was closer. It's a little too far away now. Second entry long here. This is why I took skip this trap. Potential second entry long. Are we still in this trading range? We could be bouncing off the top of this trading range. If we get a nice signal bar here, I'll be interested in going long. Thinking that it's a breakout retest. But that's a bad signal bar, pandas. Coming right back into the trading range. Confusing, pandas. I can't even go long here anymore. I don't think I can. We're back in the trading range here, essentially. This blue box is a trading range. Oh, that's a good looking signal bar. It's a good looking signal bar. Trading range though. Trap may trigger here. Trap may trigger. Goodness gracious, what a good looking signal bar too. Micro double bottom. If it comes back up, I'll be interested. Thinking it's a micro double bottom. Oh, that was a bad trade. That was a bad idea. I think that was a really bad idea, pandas. I may reverse this. If this doesn't work out, I'm reversing this. Oh man, this is confusing. If this doesn't work out, I'm reversing it. What is happening, pandas? Oh man, this is not good. I'm in a bad position both ways. Oh, this is so dumb, pandas. I'm gonna get hit twice, aren't I? No! Thinking this might be a trading range trade. Oh my goodness, pandas, this is gonna get me twice. Oh my, yeah! Oh my god! Oh my goodness, pandas. And slippage is crazy. Look at the slippage. The slippage. Pandas, I'm done. I'm done. This market's crazy. This market's wild right now. It got me twice. Got me here. It got me here and here, and I came in double position, thinking that was true reversal. Oh my god. And slippage. And it gave me slippage. Oh my goodness. Looking for a new high now. It's looking for a new high? Are you looking for a new high now? Oh my goodness, this is crazy. Second entry short here. Do not copy my trades, pandas. Truly, I'm on tilt. Trap trade to the upside here. Looking for a new high, possibly. If I get hit here again, pandas, I'm like ultra tilt. Ultra, super ultra tilt. Thoughts and prayers. Thoughts and prayers. Come on. Looking for a new high at least? At least a new high? At least a new high? At least? Pandas, send me your thoughts and prayers. I need them. I need them. Okay, it's looking okay, Pandas. It looks okay right now. It looks decent, actually. We got a couple strong bull bars here above the 20 EMA. We got the 20 EMA protecting us now. It looks okay. Looks decent. Okay, it looks okay, Pandas. Come on, push. No, not that way. Push. Push. No. Go up. Okay, it looks good. It looks explosive. It looks like it wants to explode, Pandas. It really does. It keeps on going back down. It looks like it wants to explode. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Give me a nice push up. Nice little burst up. Okay. 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 Come on. Come on. New high. New high. No. New high. You're so close. New high. Come on. Not micro double top. New high. New high. We took the risk off. No risk right now. Oh, let's go, baby. Easiest trade of my life. This is the easiest thing I've ever done in my life. I was not nervous whatsoever. Come on. Come on. Give me a runner. I know you can run. I know you have it in you. You know what? I'm going to do this. Because of the tick shot, I'm going to do this just in case it tries to tick shot me again. I'm going to do this just for the tick shot. Give me a runner. Give me a runner. Close the gap on the 5-minute chart. I know you can do it. I know you can do it. Gives me another push up, Pandas. Stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. We made a new high already. Give me another push up. I'm going Super Saiyan. Give me another push up. I'm going Super Saiyan. I think if we break this high, we're in good hands. We're in really good hands. We got a runner here. This is all free money. Super Saiyan. Getting that pivot high now. New pivot high. Right, this is our pivot. I could come out here like this, but I'm gonna just keep it here. It's not that far away. It's not much difference, right? The fact that if I also went here, that would really reduce my chances to make anything on this runner. But if I keep it down here, it increases the chances a lot more than here, even though it's not that much still. But Super Saiyan, you can fill that gap. Pandas. Oh, what is this? Why? Who's taking the profits here? Why would you take your profits here? Okay. It's okay if you show a little red, as long as you don't reverse, as long as you don't break the previous candle's low, as long as you stay above the previous candle's low, we're all good. I don't care if you're red or not. Pandas. I don't like how it looks. It's so grindy. Give me big burst up, please. I'm nervous the entire time. I shouldn't be nervous. I'll come out a previous day's high or previous day's close on. I'll come out here. I'll do it. I'll do it here. Oh, tickling my target. It's just tickling me. Tickling me. No! No! Why would you tickle me like that? Just tickling the underside of my belly. Just a little tickle. Little tickle here. Why are you tickling me? Don't tickle me. Come on. You can do it. Okay, as long as we don't break the previous candle's low, we are in good shape, pandas. Okay, I think we're gonna break through this. I think we're gonna break through it. Pandas. I think we're gonna break through it. Am I being greedy? Here? Am I being greedy? No, I'm not. Eric, get out. What? Okay. Let's go, baby. Easy peasy, easy money. Do you remember there was a day where I was negative $400? Now, pandas, I am the most profitable trader on YouTube, verified. $16. Just imagine what you can buy with $16. Can you imagine that, pandas? Can you imagine what you can buy with $16? You can buy one Chipotle burrito. That's crazy. That's a meal right there. Let's go, baby. Easy peasy money. I don't care how much bamboo it is. It's bamboo. Whoo! Pandas. Oh my god. I was negative 400. And now we are up 16 whole dollars. Not 1,600. Not 16,000. We're up $16. That's amazing. That's amazing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. You know, we still haven't broken a previous candle's low still. We would still be okay here. I'll still be in this trade. Trying to fill that gap on the 5-minute chart. And guess what, pandas? We got Big Mama coming up. Perhaps. Maybe. Yuri says I sounded stressed. How dare you? That was pretend. I was pretending. I have to do it for you guys. If I'm not stressed, then you guys are gonna be like, this is so boring. Oh my goodness. Panda is such a professional, never gets emotional. I do it for you. I have to pretend I'm stressed. Otherwise, you guys would think this is boring. That's the only reason why I act like that. Goodness gracious. Whew. I mean, whew. Okay, pandas, hey, we're green. We're green today. That's all that matters. From negative 400 to now $16. I mean, if you think about the swing, $400 swing right there. Goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god. We still haven't broken a previous candle's low yet. This is still grinding up. Filling the gap on the 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart may always, it's probably always in long now actually. You can see it always in long by this gap here between the close and the open. The moment this close, people just bought market orders and creating this little gap between these two bars. So you can, there's a little extra evidence that we're always in long. Big Mama. Big Mama. Give me Big Mama. Is it possible we get Big Mama today on stream? Is it possible? Mark Guelis. Most profitable trader, $16 verified. Hey, I'm telling you, even if I made $1, no one is as verified as me. No one is as verified as me. Goodness. We're about to trigger Big Mama here. We're slightly overextended. What can I say? It seems a little bit overextended right now if we trigger it right away. But this is all bamboo I missed. Imagine none of the we never broke a previous candle's low, and I could have kept my runner all the way up here. Oh my god, what am I doing? I think I mishandled that. I was really focused on just getting green today. But Big Mama rules. You gotta take Big Mama when you see Big Mama. You just gotta take it. Yuri says, how can you be verified if you don't show your face? I am showing my face. What do you mean? This is my face. In real life, I'm a floating panda head. I don't know what you're talking about. Colton asking about Big Mama. Big Mama is when you have a mama and she's big. That's a Big Mama. Woo! I mean, if you want to talk about overextended, this is it. This is the definition of it. We finally broke a previous candle's low, and I could have gotten out here. I could have gotten 1, 2, 3 more points. That's $150. But unfortunately, pandas, I have a hard stop at 10:45, so I'm gonna have this order up. So I might have to take Big Mama without you guys. Turtles, I'll take Slim Mama. I guess I could turn the auto trader on. I can turn the auto trader on and just keep streaming. I do gotta be somewhere. Pandas, BBM90, don't forget. 90% off Apex evals. 90%, this is virtually free. I mean, I could be risky in these trades. Doesn't really matter. At the end, how much do you really lose? $16 on the eval. 100 some bucks just to make it a PA count. Goodness gracious. It's nothing. It's nothing for the potential you can gain. I hope I don't get shot in the tick with Big Mama. Got a second entry long here. Second entry long floating though. If it was on the trend line and also 20 MA, I may consider taking it, but right now it's like floating. Second entry long, maybe here. You'd like it to touch the 20 EMA and also the trend line here. You'd like it to bounce off of this on an uptrend. Doesn't quite get there. Maybe some people say close enough. I want to see this one. I just want to see the second entry long.
10,000 tick
we'll end
trap.
the stream. I may keep the stream going, and I'll have the auto trader on, just to trade a big mama for me. The thing is, when you turn automated strategies on, then you lose all your markers. So if you see the markers disappear, it's not because I changed my account or anything. It's because they automatically disappear. They only show you the markers that the strategy takes, as long as you have it enabled. This is your signal bar right now. Okay, we're taking a entry long here.
Trap.
Looks decent. Looks decent. Decent setup. Strong uptrend. Off the 20 EMA. Also off our trend line here.
10,000 tick trap.
I mean, I think it's worth the risk. The risk is not even that large. It's a typical risk. 2.5 points. Less than 2.5 points. Off our trend line. Also off the 20 EMA. May come back down to take out, retest the previous day's close here. I just want to see what happens here. Okay, we're pushing. Okay, if we get a nice little wick here, I'll take this long, thinking it's just a retest of the previous day's close. It's a bad signal bar though. Man, that's a bad looking signal bar. That's not good. It's not that. Okay, it's not the worst. It's risky. It's risky. It's risky. Definitely risky here. Bad looking signal bar, but it's off. Basically off our 20 EMA and pretty much off our trend line here. In this trade, it's looking decent. It's looking decent. Nice entry bar. Terrible follow through. What is that? Come on. Come on, don't do that. Trap trade. First, second entry long off the 20 EMA on the strong uptrend. Come on. Don't do that to me. 20 EMA bouncing off the 20 EMA could be a good thing for us. Break this high. We have a good chance of scalping out here. Break this high, please. Please break this high. All eyes on the second entry long. Nice bounce off the 20 EMA. That makes me feel good. Okay, broke the high here. I think we got a good chance of making this. It's taking so long. This is so slow. Hurry up and scout me out, please. Oh my god. Oh, it looks good. Looks real good, pandas. I mean, it looks really good. Looks really, 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 looks really good. Let's go, baby. Ah! Easy peasy, easy money. Pandas. Pandas. Trading is the
5-minute
easiest
trap.
thing I've ever done in my entire life. This is so easy. So easy, pandas. It's just that easy. What can I say? Alright, pandas. Hey, since we're so close to Big Mom, but I do gotta go. I will turn on my automated strategy here. And I'll keep streaming for you guys. You're welcome. See, when I turn it on, all the markers disappear. Is that too high? Can you guys see that? It kind of clips it. Is that too hard for you guys to see? Oh, you can barely see because of that 2000 tick. Here, let me move that. I'll move it here for now. I think you guys should be able to see it, right? If it does trigger. I'll just do like this so you guys can see. Alright, pandas. I'll keep this on. You guys can keep watching. The automated strategy is going to take care of Big Mama for me. And it will imply all my rules that I have. And so hopefully it'll just work out. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. 9:15 for the mainstream, 9 o'clock for the pre-market show. Hope to see you guys there. And we'll keep this running. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.
10,000 tick trap. $10,000 tick trap. 5-minute trap. $10,000 tick trap. Five-minute trap. 10,000 tick trap. $10,000 tick trap. 10,000 tick trap. $10,000 tick trap.